I used to want to save the world, this beautiful place. But I knew so little then. And mankind? Mankind is another story altogether.
Amazon like the rest of us.
You neglect your duty if she cannot fight. I love her as you do, but this is the only way to truly protect her.
Scars upon my face.
You will train her harder than any Amazon before her. 5 times harder. 10 times harder. Until she is better than even you.
I can see the world unseen. I can hear them call to me. Harnessing the energy from every fall and failure. I'll be a force of nature upon a wall of rust. I'll be a force of nature. The only truth I trust is what I see.
Maybe people aren't always good.
I could have saved them.
Maybe it's who they are.
I could have saved them if it weren't for you. No, it had to be him. It cannot be them. You don't stop me from killing her.
You don't think I get it after what I've seen out there? You don't think I wish I could tell you that it was one bad guy to blame? If you believe that this war should stop it, if you want to stop it, help me stop it, please. Please come
I
with
can
me.
see the world unseen. I can hear them call to me. Harnessing the energy from every fall and failure. I'll be a force of nature upon a world of rust. I'll be a force of nature. The only truth I trust is what I see. 'Cause I can see the world.
It has to be me. I could save today. You could save the world.
I wish we had more time.
On the sting I feel from every pain and danger. 'Cause I can see the world unseen. I can hear them call to
I
me.
used to want to save the world, to end war and bring peace to mankind. But then I glimpsed the darkness that lives within their light, and learned that inside every one of them, there will always be both. A choice each must make for themselves, something no hero will ever defeat. And now I know that only love can truly save the world.